Hey, so if you're a freelancer and want to use Google Slides effectively in 2026, this guide will walk you through step by step how to use it for proposals, client presentations, and project communication. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once you're inside, you'll see the dashboard where you can create new presentations or open existing ones. Start by creating separate presentations for different clients or purposes. For example, you might have slides for proposals, project updates, onboarding, or final delivery. Keeping things organized saves time and looks more professional. Choose a clean and simple theme. As a freelancer, your slides represent your brand, so use consistent colors, fonts, and layouts. Avoid clutter. Clear design builds trust with clients. Next, build slides with clear structure. For proposals, include slides like introduction, client problem, your solution, timeline, pricing, and next steps. Use short bullet points instead of long paragraphs so clients can quickly understand your value. Add visuals like icons, screenshots, or charts to support your message. Visuals make your slides more engaging and help explain ideas faster, especially when presenting online. Use speaker notes to write what you plan to say during calls or presentations. This helps you stay confident while keeping slides clean and focused. Google Slides is great for collaboration. Share slides with clients using view or comment access. Clients can leave feedback directly on slides, reducing back and forth emails and saving time. For delivery, you can present live using Google Meet or download slides as a PDF to send professionally. Slides are also auto-saved in Google Drive, so you never lose work. Before sending anything, review your slides for clarity, alignment, and spelling. Small details make a big difference when working with clients. And that's it. By using Google Slides for proposals, collaboration, and presentations, freelancers can work faster, look professional, and communicate clearly. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with other freelancers, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take care.